Security check complete on incoming shipment. All seals intact.
Confirmed. Delta Lima 049er. Proceed with unloading protocol.
Laser diffraction scanners measure physical characteristics with extraordinary precision, comparing every measurement against strict manufacturing specifications for the new currency. The fiber distribution is holding steady at 98%. Good. Maintain speed and continue the watermark registration check. The Royal Bank of Scotland's new £100 note begins here, where sophisticated surface analysis guarantees the integrity of the security paper engineering stage. Tigers. The final engineering review ensures every microscopic detail of the banknote design conforms ticks to the master files. The results are stabilizing right within the acceptable threshold.
Verified. The sample integrity is secure.
Color accuracy looks good on this run.
Yeah.
Agreed. The watermark alignment is perfect.
The thick intaglio ink is spread across the engraved steel, then wiped with precision rollers, all monitored by digital sensors for absolute consistency.
This microprinting on the collar is slightly off register on sheet 42. Yes, I see that. Let's flag it for quality control.
Check the alignment on the Islay portrait here.
Yeah.
Looks good. Ink quality is within tolerance too.
The temperature remains stable. And the adhesion is flawless on this run. attachments. The completed printed sheets enter a comprehensive security verification station, where visible and hidden security features Scan complete, manifest verified. Confirmed. Closing doors on truck 2.
Control, Vanguard 1. Facility clear, commencing transit to the financial center.
Copy that, Vanguard 1. All units, maintain secure formation. All bundles accounted for and verified against the manifest.
Transferring to the main vault now. Access confirmed.